Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to use shell command in Autocad. The shell command is used to hollow the 3D object. It removes one or more faces and leave the rest with a uniform thickness. So this is the example. Let's start. Now we will create a box here. And also we will create a cylinder here. We have to click here for conceptual. Now we have to use shell command. For that, click on solid, click on shell, select the object. Now it's asking remove faces. Select this face, enter, and now you have to enter your thickness. I will give 20, enter. So now we select only one face. We will rotate now. You see here, only the top face, what we selected, is removed. Now same way here, again click on solid, select shell, select this one. Now this time I will select this face and this face to make a hollow. Now enter. I will give a thickness of again 20. Now it make a through hole. Here we only select one faces, top face, so it remove the top face plus thickness. And in this case we selected both faces and it make it hollow. So we have another example here. Now if you want to hollow inside, so we will use here shell command again. Click on shell, select object. I will select this face and this face. So I want to make a hole through, then enter, and I will give thickness 20. You can see that the hole is through. If you want to see, we will use a slice command to check. Type SL, select object. So I will use this one to this one, both. Now we will move and see. So we click on orbit. So we can see that it hollows. Same way here, click on solid and select shell, this one, on this face, and this face, enter, give distance thickness 10, so it hollow. So in this way we can use a shell command in AutoCAD.